Once upon a time, words began to vanish from the language of children. They disappeared so quietly.
Will you stay here with me?
Enter the wood with care, my love. It deals in things that are missing and things that are hidden.
I don't know if there ever really is a right time.
There's a wrong time, and it's never.
You believe in magic, don't you?
Am I dreaming?
I see the whole world in your eyes.
What's happening?
The thing that you sow will continue to grow. So will you.
How much does he know?
I have to tell you something.
I'm scared.
You want to follow us?
You're so strong. You're the strongest boy I know. It's time for you to find your path.
I know. Where do we go when we die?
Where do you think we go?